In this video, we are going to demonstrate how to make a mood or vision board in Canva. A mood board is a collage of images, text, and other elements that capture the essence of a theme, emotion, or concept. Lately, it's become a popular shareable content on social media. If you've ever dreamed of crafting one, Canva, an intuitive online design platform, is your best bet. Your first step is gathering your inspiration. Scour platforms like Google Images or Pinterest for photographs that evoke the feelings you want to convey. It could be picturesque landscapes, motivational quotes, captivating artwork, or personal screenshots. For a seamless and aesthetically pleasing board, select a color palette and ensure most of your images resonate with it. A pro tip? Save these images in a dedicated folder for seamless access. Go to canva.com and click Create a Design on the top right. Considering a device wallpaper? Simply type Wallpaper in the search bar and select the appropriate option, be it for desktop or phone. Name your project for easy reference. Use the Uploads option on the left sidebar. Click on Upload and select your pre-chosen images. With every image uploaded, a mere click lets you place it on your canvas. The flexibility of Canva allows you to adjust the size, positioning, and even layering. Just right-click to move layers forward or backward. After you've positioned and layered to your heart's content, click Download, located in the top right corner. A subsequent click on the following pop-up's Download button will save your creation to your device. Your mood board is now ready. Use it as wallpaper, print it, share it, or repurpose it. The sky's the limit. If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Also, hit the notification bell to follow our future videos.